For today's businesses, efficiency is crucial. Many companies unknowingly waste resources using generic ERP systems. Acumatica Industry Editions offer a tailored solution, designed to propel businesses forward with industry-specific features. Acumatica Industry Editions provide ERP systems that fit like a custom suit. Unlike generic systems, Acumatica's editions are crafted for specific industries, ensuring that businesses no longer need to adapt their processes to fit the software. This tailored approach unlocks hidden potential and transforms inefficiencies into profits. Acumatica excels in flexibility and integration. Businesses can select modules that align with their operations, such as inventory management for manufacturers. Seamless integration with third-party applications enhances data flow and efficiency, unlike generic systems that often struggle with integration challenges. Acumatica prioritizes user adaptability with an intuitive interface that reduces training time. Users frequently praise its ease of use, contrasting with the steep learning curve of one-size-fits-all systems, which often require navigating complex menus not aligned with specific business functions. Acumatica offers editions for manufacturing, construction, retail, and more. Each edition includes features essential for industry-specific tasks, like production management for manufacturers. This focus ensures businesses have the exact tools they need, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Selecting the right Acumatica edition depends on business size, industry, and needs. Smaller businesses benefit from cost-effective core functionalities, while larger ones gain from industry-focused editions. Acumatica's scalability and unlimited user pricing model make it a smart choice for growing businesses. Acumatica's tailored ERP solutions redefine business efficiency, offering a future where efficiency is a daily reality.